Morning guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we are here at a church compound. We are going to dismantle all the decoration out there in the church and the entire village. So let me show you the decoration and all. See, these are the decoration that we have decorated during the Christmas. So we are going to dismantle only today. So yes guys, keep watching. So we are dismantling this decoration. So we have to dismantle with very carefully. So the boys' parties are here, dismantling the decoration in the church compound, and the girls' parties are there. Let me just go and show you. Huh? So I'm here in the top of the rest house. So these are the boys dismantling the decoration. Let me show you the view of our village. The freshman dine, egg,
Tea break, tea break.
coffee, apple.
Đi cho mua.
And now we'll be starting our work from here. So we are gonna dismantle all those things. So this is the welcome gate of New Riphyim, and we'll be dismantling all the decoration from here. So we have to do all those things, and even here. So yes guys, keep watching. So finally we have reached this welcome gate. We have dismantled all the decoration from the downside, and we have reached till here. Ngaron ya, Zano, Ruslan, Cemo, Bini, Azudang. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. So finally we have done dismantling, and I'm on my way to church. So let's get moving. So this is the center of our village, as you can see. let's keep moving. So this is the community hall, and this is on our way to church. The girls are feeling shy. So we have reached the church compound. We have dismantled everything. Yeah. Lunchtime. So we have dismantled all the decoration here. Only the posts are left now. So just exploring our village. So let's just explore it. So that's the Mount Morashan. And here's a shop. Come on,